Parcero, si usted está aquí en California, tiene mal crédito y nadie lo aprueba, véngase para acá, que aquí el parcero le va a ayudar. 1500, 1500 is the minimum down payment. You can take any car with me. Véngase para acá, parcero.
What's up, Ken and REMA Squad?
What's happening, y'all, man? So look, y'all, today we back with a banger. It's Vlogmas.
What day of Vlogmas is it? Day one.
You guys. And y'all know we had to get y'all with a banger, you feel me? So it's been a long time coming, but you know we had to get right to it, right? So we're gonna introduce y'all to
Who is Beauty?
Who is Beauty, babe?
Why don't you tell us who Beauty is?
Oh man, y'all just gotta come with us, man. Y'all gotta come on the journey right
You guys
now.
are gonna love Beauty as much as we love Beauty.
Yeah, Beauty is
beautiful.
yeah, y'all. So that's our new car. If y'all don't know by the title, if y'all don't know by the thumbnail by now, yeah, that's the new whip. So we're gonna introduce you guys today. We're gonna live like a little. We're gonna do the car tour though, like in another video.
In another video.
Yeah, we're gonna do a car tour in another video, but we're gonna show you guys everything, the process. Let's get to it, y'all.
What we
you
doing
just changed
today?
the intro on us or what?
I mean,
Back with another video. Back with another video. Screw what you talking about. She just changed the intro on us, y'all. So today, I guess we're doing a vlog day, man. We're gonna be like vlogging our little daily life stuff.
We're going on a road trip today. Are you excited?
We're going on a road trip, guys. I'm so super excited. What road trip we got going? Because I didn't know nothing about a road trip.
Surprise! Are you excited? I have something.
Super excited. What do you have up your sleeves, Kate?
Where it's going to be like the best day of your whole entire life today. Like, I'm gonna take.
You about to take me to Disneyland?
Okay, maybe the second best day of your whole entire life, if that's considered the best day of your
Babe, I got on my Mickey Mouse shirt because I thought.
Oh my God, because you thought we were going to Disneyland.
You had on a Los Angeles shirt.
Right turn to merge onto
Disneyland ain't in Los Angeles,
So I thought
Oh, I feel bad now. But the surprise that I have in store for you is gonna be so much better than Disneyland. I can promise that. It's gonna be so much better than Disneyland.
Really?
It's gonna be like, you're gonna love me for the rest of your life after this.
I already love you for the rest of my life.
Oh,
Put a ring on it.
But this is going to be a game changer. A game changer. You're gonna be like, oh my God, I can't believe that you made it happen. Like, oh my gosh, you're gonna see it. And then I'm gonna show you what I said. When we get there, you're gonna see it. You're gonna be like, I can't believe that you even did all of this, babe. I couldn't sleep for the last week, okay? Because this day couldn't come fast enough. I already knew what I was gonna do last week, but I had to wait till today so we could go out there. And I could not sleep. Now, finally, after tonight, I will be able to get some rest.
Go out weird, though.
You're going to be so happy. No, I just want to see your facial expression when we get there. When we get there, you're going to be like, that's going to be your face. Babe, you're going to see when we get there.
Okay, babe.
They know where we're going, so it don't matter.
Okay, look. What are you talking about?
Babe, it does not matter.
Just found some insurance. From the signs for the car, y'all. Yeah, check it out. So, yeah. Oh, yo, after 30 hours later, like I told her, look at our beauty.
56 years?
Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Hey y'all, we're gonna have to do a what we gonna have to do, bro? We're gonna have to do a tour later.
I don't know, guys. We were supposed to get a red car, but
we supposed to get a Challenger, y'all.
car.
Yeah, she did. Look, y'all. She got it.
Grateful for whatever God has given me.
And she got it, y'all. Cause we've been paying $1,600 a month. But yeah, y'all.
You don't have to do that anymore.
All right, y'all. So we about to go meet my man's back at the dealership, and then that's it, y'all. I'm about to go. I got my man's, y'all. Hey, y'all. He A1, man. I'm telling y'all, go holler at y'all boy, man. Hey, for real.
Enjoy. Beautiful car.
Thanks, man. I appreciate you, bro. That's 100. All right, y'all. We about to go meet him back at the dealership, man, and then be right back in a minute. Hey, y'all, man. Satisfied customer right here, y'all, man. Diego, man, he hooked me up, man, and I appreciate everything he did for me, y'all. Repos. I mean, look, listen, bad credit, y'all. He gonna help you out. He gonna get you a car, y'all.
Parcero, si usted está aquí en California, tiene mal crédito y nadie lo aprueba, véngase para acá, que aquí el parcero le va a ayudar. 1,500, 1,500 is the minimum down payment. You can take any car with me. Véngase para acá, parcero, que aquí le vamos a ayudar. Hey, Luke, thank you, my friend.
Thanks,
Enjoy.
Man. You already know it, man. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, bro. Have a good one, y'all. All right, y'all. Look, y'all. She's so happy, y'all. She's so happy. Look at her. Look at her. You gotta do the spin around. Ah!
Hey guys, look. Let me tell you the best part about getting this car.
Y'all see the palm tree?
The best part about getting this car is that I ain't got to go to the DMV and spend 45 hours there because they done did all this shit for me.
Let's go, y'all. Hey, look, y'all. This is where we at, man. If you're in California, you gotta come see my man Diego, y'all.
California PTV.
Look, auto stop. Auto now, man. Auto now, y'all. Auto now, man. That's the sign right there, y'all.
I'm so excited, gang.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Let's get it, gang. Y'all know what time it is, man. Hey, we on the road to 100K. You feel me? This vlog ain't even over yet, though, y'all. We about to get into it. About to just get into it. My wife tricked me.
Oh, wait.
today.
I'm gonna crank it so you can hear.
Okay, wait, and we're gonna do a slow motion go around, like, you know, we're gonna get him a full detour.
Okay, come on.
Oh.
Right now, real fast.
Okay, y'all. Y'all know, man, this is all everything legit.
You ready?
Everything legit.
2.
Ooh, she in love, y'all. All right, y'all, man, let's get it. 2019, man, we turning up. Y'all know what time it is. Wow.
Okay, babe, I'm too close.
Babe, yank that motherfucker. Yank it real fast.
Babe.
Okay, for the subscribers.
Babe.
Go.
Leave me alone now.
Y'all, she cutting up.
Oh my God.
Y'all, she cutting up. She cutting up, y'all. Y'all want to see something cool? Oh, I can't get here. Show them the speed thing,
I
mama.
can't show them. Let me see.
Show them the speed thing.
I don't know if I can see it or not, but maybe it's eye level.
Oh, y'all see this? Y'all see this speed?
Look.
You ain't gonna yank it though one time for them. Oh, she cutting up.
Okay, here. I can't even do it no fast.
Oh, man, y'all. Hey, y'all. We just out here just, you know what I'm saying, trying to enjoy it, man. We about to go get something to eat real fast, y'all. We just coming all the way from LA, Santa Ana to LA, all the way back to the,
Oh, I forgot we did.
all the way back to the burbs, y'all. So we out here, man. We're gonna get y'all.
We the only ones in Rancho Cucamonga that got their house paid off.
You know what I'm saying? That's why we the king. They call us the king around here, because we the only one
Shut up.
on the
I
block,
didn't know.
house paid in cash. What is it? F.A. Versace, motherfucker.
What?
He's like, nigga, you don't even know how to spell Versace.
No, I ain't watched that movie like that.
Alright, y'all, she sucked.
She said I suck. I'm big.
Alright, y'all, so
we're back home
been a long
for the
day.
night.
I'm washing, so that's why I go on this. I just throw on anything real fast. No cap, so.
Well, y'all know how it be when you wash clothes. You just gotta put on whatever you can find that's clean and keep it pushing.
You know what I'm saying? So we eating our wing stop. You know what I mean? We could have spent a long day doing this, man. Getting the car as a job, yo. We literally stayed there the whole day.
But we're so grateful to be able to get it. We hope you guys enjoyed coming with us to get the car too.
Yeah.
If you see me in traffic, try to race me.
Let's try to race, you know what I'm saying?
Keywords try, because we'll leave you in the dust.
I'm telling you.
We're gonna be like, ooh, 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 boop. I'm be gone. But cars are coming next. We just wanted to say
Cars are coming next, y'all.
that we love and appreciate everybody.
Love you guys, appreciate everything.
And don't give up on anything.
Listen, y'all.
We were being stupid. I mean, we were being stupid, but we had to do what we had to do, and we were literally paying.
Listen, y'all. Everything in life is a process.
Dang, you ain't even gonna let me finish. You're gonna cut me off because what I gotta say ain't important, huh?
No, I ain't even know. Everything is a process, y'all. If you take your time and you grind, and you get through the process, at the end, it's always a reward. Every time.
A reward.
Yeah, right. It's always a reward, you guys. Every single time. You know what I'm saying?
I only did it because you told me.
Grind hard. Stick to your plan, though. And always stick to your plan. And whatever. Listen. You make a plan now, right? Just think about when you get to the end mark, the goal. You're going to be excited. You're going to be happy. And that's just like what we did. We set out a goal. And now we're at the end part of our goal. And it's accomplished. It's said and done. So.
On just one goal that we've accomplished.
So it ain't about being stupid or nothing. You have to do what you have to do in life. But at the end of the day, in order to reach your goals, you got to set them first. And then you got to strive at it. So that's what we did, yo. We set the goal, we strived at it, and we executed it. You know? It's the outcome. We got the reward. So, you know? Like I said, we're gonna give y'all the tour of it. Right?
While we still figuring out how to use it.
Right, you know what I'm
We're
saying?
gonna all figure it out together.
Yeah. It's nice, you know. I love it. She love it. Yeah, it got us out of the situation that we was in. So.
It's fast and it makes vroom noises.
That's what she love about it.
Which is really what I really wanted out of the car. That whatever, no matter what car we got, I always said like, I want it to make vroom noise. Like when I'm idle, I want it to be like. So like when I'm coming in traffic, you'll be able to hear me.
So yeah, y'all. She happy. As long as my wife happy, I'm happy.
Are you happy?
Happy wife.
Do you like it?
Happy life. You know, I see them guns getting big. Look at them.
Mine too. You guys want to see my guns too? Look. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh. Why they look so scrawny?
But we've been grinding, y'all. So.
All I have in this world is my balls and my word. I don't break them for no one.
You
You understand?
subscribe. And look, you having my number. Like, share, subscribe. It's about to be lit. 2020, we coming. Be a part of the mob. Be a part of the family. Let's get it,
Bye.
Post notifications coming on next.
Hey, wait. Where you going? If you like this video, you gonna love the next one. Let's get it, gang. On 2019. Gang shit.